Stop acting weak. Most men destroy their own respect before they even say a word. You think people aren't judging you. They are, every second. And if you don't fix this, you'll keep getting ignored, stepped on, and underestimated. Rule number 3 alone will make people treat you completely differently. So stay until then. 1. Own the room. Respect starts the moment you walk in. Your posture tells people exactly who you are. Before you even open your mouth. Slouch. Avoid eye contact. Move like you don't belong. Congratulations, you've just told everyone you're not worth noticing. Fix it. Stand tall, shoulders back, head up. Walk with purpose, even if you have no idea where you're going. People believe the man who acts like he belongs. 2. Speak with weight. Your voice is either a weapon or it's dead weight. Talk too fast, mumble, or fill your sentences with and you lose all authority. Slow down, project, lock eyes when you talk. And here's the trick. After you say something important, pause. That's silence. It makes every word land harder. 3. Master your reactions. Open loop closed. Here. Weak men are predictable, and predictable men are easy to control. Insult them, and they snap. Challenge them, and they fold. A strong man stays calm. He listens. He chooses his moment. And when someone tries to provoke him, he smiles, not because it's funny, but because he refuses to give them power. Do this, and people will start to think twice before ever trying you again. 4. Look like you respect yourself. This isn't about vanity. It's about discipline. A clean haircut, clothes that fit, grooming that's on point. It tells the world, I take myself seriously. And people mirror the respect you give yourself. You don't need designer brands, you need standards. Because if you can't take care of yourself, why would anyone trust you with anything else? These 4 rules separate the men people forget from the men people follow. Apply them today, and you'll feel the shift instantly. And in my next video, I'll show you the exact body language moves that make people listen without question. Once you know them, you'll never walk into a room the same way again.